Hey Adriana, it's Devin again. Thank you for talking to me on the phone and thank you for clicking on this video. I'm going to briefly show you 3 things I found on your website that you can fix really easily so you can start beating Custom Air Inc. because these guys show up on the first page when you type in AC Repair Sarasota FL. Now, I know you're probably wondering why I'm making this video for you, and it's really simple. I found out a little while ago a lot of small business owners out there are spending so much time running their business, they don't have time to learn how to make the internet bring them more business. And the only thing stopping them from hiring somebody to help them is they don't know who is an expert and who is not. So I found that when I make these attack plans and I just give them away for free, a lot of business owners do this stuff themselves, but some of them call me back and have me help them. Whatever you want to do, this information is totally okay with me. This is free education. I'm going to talk to you about 3 things today: content, backlinks, and citations. And by the way, your website is awesome. It is obviously professionally done, and if it's done in-house, even cooler because it's not usually a normal industry costing that you see there. So great job on the website. It is absolutely gorgeous. Now what Google cares mostly about is this stuff right here, all this content that you can read, and they want to see a lot of it. And it looks like you have a good amount on here. The average website on the front page of Google has about 2,000 words. Let's see where you're sitting. So you're currently sitting at 1,092, so right about half of that. Now if you look at Custom Air Inc., let's see what they're sitting at. These guys are sitting at 862. So they're actually less than you. The thing is, you both aren't considered authorities right now, so by getting yourself to that 2,000 word mark, you are going to completely blow them out of the water. But I'll give you one more quick tip to go alongside of that. A keyword is a phrase that somebody types into Google to find your business, such as AC Repair Sarasota, Florida. This is searched about 2,500 times a month in the summer. If you take this and you put it on your page, if I search your page, you haven't put that on your page anywhere, but if you put that on your page a couple times, it'll help Google rank you for that keyword. So I would put it on there about 2 or 3 times. Also maybe 1 time inside like the heading here. So that's my first tip. My second tip is it's called backlinks. Now a backlink is when another website is linking to you, driving traffic to you. This is really important. Google is kind of like a popularity contest. They want to see a bunch of relevant websites vouching for you, but keep in mind they want to see, like I said, they want to see relevant websites. So they're going to give you a lot more power if you have another HVAC company linking to you instead of like Pizza Hut linking to you. Google knows you're not a pizza company. So the tool that I use to check out backlinks is called Ahrefs. Now this is a paid tool. There's free ways to check this out online everywhere. Just type in backlink checker on Google and you can find it. It just says you have 243 websites linking to you, while Custom Air has 152 linking to them. So look, you're beating them with content and you're beating them with the amount of backlinks. So you're probably thinking, why the heck are they beating me? This is where that relevance comes in. First thing you'll notice here is your UR and your DR. I don't want to confuse you with this or get too in depth with it, so just like a really easy explanation. This is the rating of your homepage, how powerful it is. This is how powerful your whole website is. And you want these numbers to be close to 1 to 1. So the way to do that is to get more trustworthy websites linking to you. If I go over here to Custom Air, you can see how it's a little closer to a 1 to 1 ratio versus your 33 and 10, 34 and 22. So look, just to wrap it all up and to make it really easy, the way you beat them is to copy the backlinks they have, because if the backlinks are good enough for them, they're good enough for you too. You just visit these websites, all these websites that are linking to them, and you put a link on them pointing back to your page. It's really simple. Typically, you just have to like create a profile and put a link to your homepage in the profile, or maybe put like a comment somewhere on the page, or maybe email the owner by clicking contact us. It's really simple. But after you do that and you copy them, and you beat them with content and with the websites that are linking to them, that's how you end up beating them organically. If you want to show number 1 with the ads, you just need to bid higher than your competitors. And if you want to be number 1 in the map right here, this is the best place to show up. This is where the most traffic goes. It's actually free to get here too. All you need to do is have more citations than your competitors. A citation is just a website, or it's just anywhere where you list your name, your address, and your phone number in a directory. And a directory is just a website that allows you to list your business's information, such as like Yelp and Yext and Yellow Pages and stuff like that. So just to make it really easy, what I would do is I'd figure out what directories Mr. AC was listed in. I put myself in those same ones and add a bunch more on top. So like if they were in 150 directories, I'd be putting myself in 300. And that's all I've got for you, Adriana. I hope you found this informative and helpful. Try to keep it short and to the point for you. Quick recap, 2,000 words on the homepage. You want keywords like AC Repair Sarasota FL inside of that content. You're going to want to copy the websites that are linking to Custom Air and get them linking back to you. And then you're going to want to put your name, address, and phone number in more directories in Mr. AC and Cooling. If you follow those 3 tips, that's how you become number 1 across all of Google. What I recommend you do is start doing this right away, because it does take time to implement all of this. And the sooner you get started, the sooner you start profiting off of your work. If you have any questions whatsoever, give me a call at any time. My phone number is right down here at the bottom right. I'd be happy to answer any questions you may have. I also look forward to hearing any feedback you may have on the video. Thank you so much for watching this video, Adriana, and I hope you have a great day.